Welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon, and today we visit Cali, which is located at 2 Finlayson Green in the Ascott at Raffles Place. Cali's cuisine is Southwestern United States cuisine, similar to Mexican cuisine. Cali's cuisine incorporates spices, so let's go take a look. A versatile menu from soups to desserts and pizza to fajita, this Southwestern cuisine will have you coming back for the taste, excellent service and quality produce. Try the Cali Santa Fe Jumbo Crab Cakes, juicy chunks of crab meat infused with tantalizing Southwestern flavours. Check out these jalapeno poppers, stuffed with cheese and mozzarella and served with an avocado mango salsa. Sizzling hot plate fajitas, extra juicy and extra tasty, with a wicked marinade that tenderises your choice of meat, be it pork loin, beef tenderloin or chicken. A popular main dish, slow-cooked beef cheek braised in red wine sauce. Order the homemade thin crust pizza, topped with mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, chicken tikka and Parma ham. Finish your lunch or dinner with the Molten Lava Luxurious Bomb, a gorgeous chocolate cake baked to perfection and served with summer berry compote and vanilla ice cream. Or go for the warm pecan pie served with cinnamon caramel sauce. So there we have it. Cali's Southwestern United States cuisine, available at 2 Finlayson Green in the Ascot at Raffles Place. This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.